In October 1932, a legendary cyclone swept through the Texas Panhandle, unleashing its fury on unsuspecting towns. It carved a path through Amarillo, a city left to grapple with the ferocious winds and torrential rains. The cyclone demolished buildings, upended rail cars, and left streets submerged, while tales of bravery emerged as communities came together to help those affected. Amidst the chaos, one man's daring rooftop rescue became folklore when he narrowly saved a family from near-certain death. This dramatic event is etched in Texan history, showcasing the resilience and fortitude of its people in the face of nature's wrath. The 1932 cyclone remains a poignant reminder of the unpredictable force of weather and the spirit of recovery in Texas.